Hi, it's Tom. We're finally there, the Ferrari factory in Maranello, Italy. They won't let any cameras in, so sorry, but it's going to be interesting. Yes, we're here in the reception, waiting for the Ferrari tour. Check out this F1 car hanging on the wall. We're in the Ferrari Museum now, and I had to show you the 312. It's my favorite race car. It was in the movie Grand Prix of the 60s, and ever since then I've been in love with this car. Check it out. Hi, it's Tom. We're in Modena, Italy, and we're at the Enzo Museum. They got each cars here, about 8s, 12s, and the Formula cars and the turbo engines, all on display. And my 512 TR engine is so significant, it is here also. Hey, check out this Formula One engine. Look at the injectors here, just blowing the fuel into the intakes. We're in Turin, Italy currently, and I had to show you this car. This was designed and built, a one-off, for the designer who designed the Coke bottle. The Coke bottle. This is his car. He designed this car. Kind of looks like a Coke bottle a little bit. It was built in 1960, they said. It's a Lancia. But take a look at the lines on this thing. Wow. Is that bizarre or what? A Coke bottle. Well, it's a special day today. We're at Pagani in Italy, where they hand build these cars. It takes 2 years to get one of these. They're beautiful. All carbon fiber, all melt material. It's just amazing. We just got a tour of the factory. Of course, you can't take any pictures in there, but it's been pretty nice.